What if you worked hard for years, met all the criteria for your dream PhD program, only to find out that the goalpost had silently shifted? That's exactly what happened to several applicants to the Department of Management Studies at IIT Delhi. Let's find out what happened in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyangi Yadav. According to the IIT Delhi admission brochure, part-time PhD candidates need just 2 years of work experience. However, in reality, DMS has quietly raised the bar to 8 years. One such candidate had 5 years of corporate experience when he applied for a part-time PhD at DMS IIT Delhi. The official IIT admissions brochure said candidates needed just 2 years of experience, but his application was rejected twice. During the shortlisting stage, he noticed that the DMS website specified a minimum work experience requirement of 8 years. Still, he chose to believe it was only a temporary measure, that the department might lower the bar again in the following cycle. However, that was not the case. In a conversation with edX Live, he said, and I quote, "We respect their autonomy, but why not communicate it clearly from the start?" Unquote. Archived versions of DMS website show that the minimum work experience requirement jumped from 5 years in 2024 to 8 years by January 2025 without any official announcement. All this while the main IIT Delhi brochure still says 2 years. Applicants entered the process with one expectation only to find that they did not even qualify. For many mid-career professionals, this meant losing time, money, and a shot at their academic goals. In a collective letter to the department, applicants called the sudden hike a significant barrier, especially for those in the early stages of their career. DMS responded saying, and I quote, "The shortlisting criteria regarding work experience has remained the same for several admission cycles," unquote, and added that each department can set additional filters based on academic needs. But the problem isn't just the rule, it's the lack of transparency. While other IITs and IIMs continue with the 2-year experience norm, DMS now demands almost a decade. For younger researchers, that's a massive setback. What do you think? Is this gatekeeping or justified academic discretion? Let us know in the comments below. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.